a case of a virtual code where it has been transferred to a regular code. There are a lot of people, those who actually want to make the payment of a virtual code through online, but mistake they click to I wish to contest instead of clicking that I want to pay, and their challan get transferred to a regular code. Or sometime if you don't pay and you don't know, then after 3 months it get automatically transferred to a regular code, and in that situation you have to visit your court and then you have to pay the challan. In case your any document, whether it's a driving license or RC, is impounded, then after paying the challan only you can get that document from a concerned traffic police. So in case you are also having this case and you need any assistance, or also having any overspeed or like a red light jumping or any danger driving camera challan, just WhatsApp us, get your challan clear, and so that you will not face any issue in selling your vehicle or like for any process. So just contact us, get the help, save your time and money.